Hey! You finally woke up? Time for your diaper change? Is that why your legs are up for mommy? Yeah. Roll back over. You gotta go to school. Mhm. Bless you, baby. Bless you, baby. Okay. Bless you. Did you get the covers off your feet last night? Mm. You covered your mouth, so that's good. All right. Say bye-bye. You gotta get ready for school. Okay. Really? Okay.